Hello students. Students for class 10, I yesterday explained a chapter, The Trump of Surgery, and I have already explained you half of the chapter along with the characteristics, that how a dog is over pampered by the mistress Mrs. Pimple, and when he is ill, when she thinks that now she is unable to cope up with the health of the dog, and she finds that the dog has become very lazy, stopped eating, she had no other option, she called the doctor. This time the doctor, Mr. Harriot, was smart enough to give the treatment in such a manner by which he can also be benefited and the dog can also be benefited. In what way, we will see. The moment he came and he said to Mrs. Pemfrey that now there is no other option. I can't do anything here. I have to take the dog into my clinic. Mrs. Pemfrey was very much worried, though she had no other option. So she was ready to send the doctor to the surgery. Now the surgery. What is surgery? Surgery, you might be thinking that surgery word is actually used for operations. No. Surgery is also called a place where the doctors examine the patients or where the doctors treat the patient. That particular place is also called surgery. And the moment Mrs. Pemfrey was agreed to send him, there was a panic in the house. Everybody mean all the maids, all the servants, all the domestic helpers, everybody was on toes, ready to bring in and to collect the material which dog would require. You know what kind of material? His day bed, night bed, different kind of coats, clothes as per the weather, and not only this, his bowls also. He had a different bowl for breakfast, different for lunch, different for dinner, his toys and anything else which he would be requiring. Everything was packed along with the dog. Doctor says, Mr. Harriot, the writer and the narrator of this chapter says that my car was overloaded with the belongings of dog. And then Tricky was given to me. I was with him in the car. The moment we came out on the road, I tried to put my hands over his head to give him some affection and love. And he waved his tail. That was the way, though as he was trying to say that please take me and treat me. They came. Now, Tricky was in the clinic for 2 days. Doctor has not given him anything to eat because he was already suffering through overeating. He has not given him anything to eat. He just gave him water and water and water. He kept giving him water so that extra and excessive food inside could go on and he could feel little relieved. Then, dog was not kept the way Mrs. Pemfrey was thinking, that he'll be given with my separate bed and all this. He was kept with other normal dogs which the doctor has, and he has kept him in the same manner, very normally. One more set of bed was arranged for Tricky also along with the other dogs, and the moment they were given with the food, in the same time even Tricky was expected to take food. But Tricky was not habitual of this. He was habitual of the special treatment. So after 2 days also, on the third day when food was served to the other dogs, Tricky was not taking any action to move towards the food, whereas other dogs were pushing each other because they knew it well that the quantity of food will be served more to the one who will eat fast. But Tricky was not aware about it because Tricky was very well treated and he was given with extra foods, that too after every hour. Right? So, Mr. Harriot, the doctor, came and he was present there at the time of the meal was served to them, and he was observing everything. And then he decided that I have to change the Tricky's behavior, I have to change Tricky's routine. So, next day, an extra ball was kept for Tricky, not his shiny ball. The similar kind of balls which was there with the other dogs. Ball was kept for Tricky, and now even Tricky was feeling hunger. Even Tricky could realize that what hunger means and what is the importance of it. So when there was a bell for the food and all the dogs were ready and attacked onto the food in the same manner, the Tricky was today also ready to take the food and eat along with the other dogs. So he started eating. Then he became little mingled with the other dogs. Everybody was into the park. Everybody means all other dogs along with Tricky. All the dogs were very rough and tough with good muscles, and they were somehow sniffing and showing a bit of barking towards this new member in the family, because it is not easy to accept a new dog into the gang. They call it a gang. But slowly and slowly the change came and they accepted Tricky also with them. Now Tricky has started doing some of his activities with other dogs, though he was like a golden shiny object among others, right? And then now he go for walk with other dogs. He do his routine exercise. Like what kind of exercise? They play together, they jump on each other, they move from one place to another. There were some like such kind of objects kept for them which keep them busy, and the food which was served to them was limited. Make sure about one thing, that no medical treatment is being given to Tricky. No medicine, no vaccination, nothing. Just the change into his eating habits, just the change into his daily routine, just a change to make him normal was enough to bring a change into the health of Tricky. And it worked very well. Slowly and slowly, Tricky has started become little active, little efficient, and he started moving like the other dogs. So that means there was a change which was coming to the doctor, which was coming to the Tricky by the efforts of the doctor. Right? On the other hand, now, what is the condition of Mrs. Pemfrey? We need to know that also. Now let us talk about this. Mrs. Pemfrey was very much worried about Tricky, and she every now and then was calling the doctor. Mr. Harriot says while explaining the chapter to us that she was calling around 20 times into the day to ask me that what are the changes into Tricky, how's his health, how's he doing, how's he liking the surroundings, and I had just one answer to say, that yes, he's improving, he's better, he's getting better. And in this way they both were communicating, and Mr. Harriot was making his all efforts to make and realize Mrs. Pemfrey that don't worry about him, he's well, he's fine, you need not to think about it. But the moment Mr. Harriot has started, after 3-4 days, he started giving such instructions that he's fine, and now he is recovering. Mrs. Pemfrey has started treating him and in the same manner. You know, when some of our patient is hospitalized, a human being, and we go and visit the patient. So what do? We try to take a juice for him, fruits for him. Now Mrs. Pinfrey was also doing the same, and that too. Tricky was one of the beloved pet of Mrs. Pinfrey. So, how Mrs. Pinfrey reacted, and then finally what happened, this we're going to discuss tomorrow in the next video. Thank you, children.